I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to lock the header so it stays visible as you scroll. First, confirm which row is the header and remove any extra blank rows above it. Once done, click the cell immediately under that header row, for example A2 if your header is row 1, because Excel freezes everything above the active cell. Make sure your data is contiguous, otherwise choose the correct row. This step sets the anchor for the freeze action that follows. Now apply the freeze. From the View tab, find Freeze Panes in the Window group. It offers options. If your header is the top row, choose Freeze Top Row for a quick lock. Alternatively, if you selected a cell below row 1 or to the right of certain columns, choose Freeze Panes. This locks rows above and columns to the left. This gives you flexibility. Use Freeze Top Row for simple headers, Freeze Panes when you need both fixed rows and columns. Finally, verify the lock by scrolling. The header should remain visible. If it doesn't, unfreeze from View, right arrow Freeze Panes, right arrow unfreeze, then reselect the correct cell and try again. Make sure there are no split windows active and that filters or frozen panes from another window aren't interfering. A common issue is selecting the wrong cell, so double-check your anchor. If problems persist, save, close, and reopen the workbook to reset the view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.